You're covering.
Yeah. Yeah, just tell us a bit from your perspective of the song, because even me, I'm not so familiar with the song, but except that I read a book and it was saying that that was the music. That's all what I'm pronounce it.
That's all I know.
Yes, yes.
Over
It says, how's it, Lucy? Lucy in the Stars. Yes, that's precisely the song. You have the date of that. Oh, great! That from this piece of gold, this is significant in terms of human evolution. It says that this is supposed to be the oldest and the most complete human bone. And they have called it Lucy because they found that she has the pelvic bone of a female. So the female has a very specific pelvic bone.